3, 2, 1, go!
Qualification match number 25 of 90 now underway. As the Boks move off of their starting position, they gain 3 points. As they score on the reef, they can gain anywhere from 3 to 7 points for their activities. This is all programmed by the human players right now. Hopefully they responded the way they were supposed to. 33-44 moves across into the Blue Alliance side of the field in order to keep the Blue Alliance from scoring those valuable corn points. As 1771 launches the algae into the net atop the barge for 4 points. It's 56-30 with 1:54 left to go as 1683. The Techno Titans score high atop the reef. Their alliance partner does the same right beside them. That was 88-66, the Innovation Robotics team. 87-36, the Mechanisms at the coral zone as 10-482 scores a piece of coral in the trough. 1771 pulls algae and places coral at the same time, basically. There's another 4 points from 1771 high atop the barge in the net. It's 80-62 with 1:23 left to go. Still a lot of time for scoring, a lot of activity at 1683 with Kaido, the Techno Titans, scoring high on the reef for 5. The Red Alliance trying not to let the Blue Alliance get too far ahead as they're now at 72, the Blue Alliance at 90. 87-36, pushing the algae across the ocean floor as 1771 scores in the middle for 4. 87-36 has a piece of coral slip out of their grip into the Marianas Trench, 7 miles deep. 10-482, looking for more coral as 1771 scores on the reef in the middle. It's now 100-89 in favor of the Red Alliance, or Blue Alliance, as the Red Alliance is keeping it close. 1683 drops one off onto the coral. It doesn't fall into the trough. It's just hanging there right now as 1683 again scores in the middle for 4. 87-36 scores in the trough along with 10-482. That's the Buzzbot team. 1771 continues to score on the reef as well as it's 122-97 with 23 seconds left to go in the match. 10-482, Littlewood drifting over towards the cages. They're going to try to lift themselves up off of the ocean floor, ascend towards the surface, gaining 12 points for their alliance at 1771. Doing the same, that'll be a 24-point swing right there at the end of the match. They got 5 seconds left to accomplish that as 87-36 comes in to try to park as well. That's worth 2 points. That could be a 26-point swing right there for the Blue Alliance. The Red Alliance had 1683. The Techno Titans up off of the surface of the ocean floor as well, ascending towards the surface. They may have gained 12 points for that one as well. If they can gain more than 14 points underneath the barge, at the end game, they can gain a valuable ranking points, which can help them in the rankings as we continue with the competitions this weekend. All right, here we go in that match. Let's see. The Red Alliance or the Blue Alliance fish. It's the Blue Alliance fish swimming, this time on the reef. They release those bluefin tuna out there with a score of 153-125. Both alliances received the ranking point for barge activity underneath the barge, as the Blue Alliance had 2 bots ascending towards the ocean surface and 1 parked. All alliance members of the Red either stayed in their position